Now, in this video, we will going to discuss about how to find the binary to decimal conversion. So, suppose if you have a binary number 1110, convert to the equivalent decimal number. Initially, the base is, since it is a binary number, 2 to the power of 0, so some value will be equal to 0. So, 1110, so first you separate 0, then you separate 1, then you separate 1, and then you take the separate 1. So, to do that, 0 into 2 to the power of 0, that is the base, plus 0, that is sum is equal to 0, so you are going to get 0. Then, when you take the separate 1, 1 into 2 to the power of 1, this is 0, this next comes 1, so 2 to the power of 1 plus 0, that becomes 2, because 2 to the power of 1 is equal to 2, 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Then 1 next, this number, this one. So here 1 into 2 to the power of 2 plus 2 is equal to 6. So 1 into 4 plus 2, that becomes 6. Then you take this number 1. 1 into 2 to the power of 3 plus 6, which is equal to 14. 2 to the power of 3 is 8 plus 6, which will be equal to 14. So 1 is the digit multiplied by the base plus some value is equal to sum. So digit can be separated using digit equals n percent 10. That means the remainder is 0. Then n is equal to n by 10. Suppose if you divide this, the remainder becomes 0. Then you separate that 0. Similarly, you are getting 1 and 1 and 1. So this is how it will going to work. Now, separate digit can be converted into decimal. So sum is equal to sum plus digit into base. So each time base has to be multiplied by 2. This is achieved using the statement base is equal to base star 2. So that means 1110 is be equal to 0 into 2 to the power of 0 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 3. So then you will going to get the value as 0 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 will be equal to 14. Now this how to convert to write a function to convert a binary number to decimal number. To convert that, first we are going to have hash include stdio.h and hash include conio.h int binary to decimal. So open the braces. So first you declare sum, digit and base are as integers. Sum is equal to 0, base is equal to 1, while n is not equal to 0, and enter the braces. Digit equals n percent 10, n is equal to n by 10, sum is equal to sum plus digit into base. Base is equal to base into 2, therefore return the value of sum. So to do that, here now we are going to have the main program. So CLR is CR and declare the n and result as the integer, enter the binary number. So scanf, read that number, result will be equal to binary to decimal, and this is the calling the sub program, and then print binary percentage d slash n, decimal percentage d slash n and result. So enter binary number 1110, so the binary number will be 1110 and the decimal number will be 14. So this is how it will going to be executed. Now we will going to write the simple program for this. So to do that, so first we will go for Turbo C++. Then, so here include stdio.h, then include conio.h, then bin binary to decimal intn, then open the braces, then int sum, then int digit, then int base, then sum equals 0, then base equals 1, then while n is not equal to 0, then open the braces, then we have digit equals n percentage 10, that is the remainder, n equals n by 10, then sum equals sum plus digit star base, then base equals base star 2, then close this braces, then return sum, then close it, then main, then open the braces, then int n result. So here we will going to take CLR SCR, the first line, then printf, enter binary number /n, then scanf, read that number, %d and n, then result equals binary to decimal n, then printf /binary %d /n, then decimal equals %d /n, then n comma result, then get ch function, then close it. So here we will going to enter semicolon, and here also you have to write the semicolon, then run this program. So if you write 110, then binary will be 110 and the output will going to be decimal. So this is how the function will going to work in C program. So we will go to the next, then we will go for the next slide. So wherein you have the binary number 1110. So 10, how it will go into functions we have written here. So sum is equal to 0 plus 1 into 2 is equal to 2. Then this one, so the base will going to become 2, that is the digit, plus 1 into 2 square, it becomes 6. Then 6 will come to come here, 1 into 2 to the power of 3, 6 plus 18 is equal to 14. So in the next video, we are going to talk about decimal to binary conversion. Thank you.